I'm involved in the Montgomery Leadership Program here on campus, and so in our third semester we have to do what is called a capstone project. And so my project consists of doing a professional closet for our students and for the community of Starkville.
A business professional closet would be like really beneficial to students in Mississippi State because Starkville doesn't have a lot of options. It's like where you can go out and buy business professional wear. It's kind of nice to see, engage what business professional actually looks like or business casual and things like that. So.